Hi, so today we are going to learn that how can we verify our domain and if we are using the Kajabi platform. Okay, so what we have to do, just copy the first your website URL, then go the business settings, then go the domain section. From there, from the brand safety, then press the add button, then input your domain and remove all other unnecessary thing, then press the add. Then you will see a code. Okay, add a meta tag, your HTML source code. So just copy this code and let's go the Kajabi backend. Then we have to go the settings section. From there, then go the site details and then scroll down, then you will get a option page script header. Okay, so just paste it there and do the save. Then go the business manager again and then just press the verify domain, and then you can see it's verified. So it's very easy, and if you wanna set up iOS 14 update for your Kajabi website, then you have to do it. Thank you so much.